Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Now in this lesson, we're going to look at working with text in Photoshop. And the first thing we're going to do is to locate the text tool. Now this is the text tool over here. You just click on it to pick it, and then you come anywhere in here. Now there are two ways of using this. One, you can click on your page or your image, and then the text will appear, and then you can go ahead and write whatever you wanted to write. Now this is some text that I had copied earlier that I just pasted. So that is one way of using the text tool. The other one is coming back to the text tool. So come back to the text tool and then clicking and dragging out on part of your page, and then this text will appear, and then you can come and type in whatever you want. So let me type be happy. So yeah, those are the two ways you can use the text tool. Now another way, if I come back here now, as you can see, I've added some text. That's how you add text on your image. Now after I've added text, let's say I want to change the color, the font color, the font size. All I have to do is come back to that layer. Now whenever you add text, it will come on its own layer, and it's good to use separate layers for your text so that you can modify them separately. Now let's say if I had this all together, this text and this text over here in one layer, I can't modify them separately. That it would be a bit hard, it would be tedious to modify them separately. But now that I have them on two different layers, it will make my work way easier, because all I have to do is come to this text, this layer, double click on it to activate the text tool, and now that it's highlighted, I can come over here now to the control panel. Now over here you can select the font that you want to use. You can change the font from over here, so you can select another one. Let's say I go with this one. Then you can select the font size from here, or you can just come in here and just type in the font size you want to work with. Let's say 100, then click enter, and it will update the font size for you. So let's move that a little bit, but I want it a bit smaller, so I'll take it back to 72. Then here you can change the alignment, and from here you can change the font color. So I'll come and pick a different color. Now that looks good. Click OK, and that's how you click this icon over here, and then the changes will be admitted to your text. Now let's say now my text looks a bit small and I want to elongate it. So all I have to do is on that layer, while on that layer, I press Ctrl T to show the transform controls. Then I can drag this out to make it a bit larger. That's way too much. Now if you don't want to have this mess, like you're pulling on one corner and then it all goes out on you, you hold down the shift key and then you pull on one end. But if I release the shift key and then do this, as you can see, it will elongate the whole text, and I just want it to be maybe, let's say, stretched upwards, like a bit longer. So you hold down the shift key, and then it will only affect that side that you're working on. Oh yeah, so that's it. That's how you add text to your image in Photoshop. Now I'll come to this layer again, double click over here to activate the text tool, then come and change the font. Select this one. I'm not creative with fonts. Come here, I'm okay with the font size, and if I'm not okay, I'll just come back here again and type in the font size that I want. Let's say I want 100, click enter, and it will change automatically from over here. Come and select a different font color. Okay, click OK, and there we have our new font color. And I'll click here, and there it is. Now to move text, it's just easy. As long as you're on the move tool, you just come to where the text is. Now as you can see on my control panel, I have auto select on. That means I can come on this image without having to go to the layers and just click and drag any layer that I want. I don't have to come over here and select it first. But if I turn that off, I'll have to first select that layer, then come and drag it and place it wherever I want to. I can place it all the way up here, down here maybe. You just decide. It depends on the project you're working on. But that's how we add text to Photoshop, and that's how we change the font size and the font color, along with other things that we're going to learn throughout the lesson, through the tutorial as we go on.